Okay, next what I'd like to show you is operation of the safety. It's not rocket science, but just a few things to note. It's a little different than the Type 2. If you look in this hole, that's where the safety goes in, and if you look, there's something obstructing the hole. On the Type 1, just like the original, you can't put it on safety unless the weapon is charged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the charging handle back so you can watch. You see, now the hole is clear. You lift the detent and roll it around and it's engaged. Weapon will not fire. And I mean, what you have is a pin that actually goes in to a hole in the sear body itself, so it's locked up. To take it off safe, you have to pull it up far enough, all the way out. It's a little bit irritating, but it's like the original. Pull it all the way out and rotate it around to the fire position. Now, unfortunately, it will go past. I say unfortunately, the weapon will shoot over here. It doesn't really care, but if you drag it back and forth, you're going to scratch the paint. Even though we spent a lot of time polishing the bottom of that pin so that if you do that, it's not going to scratch it up badly. It still will. Only alternative would have been to put a pin or machine a fence there to keep you from rolling it past, but then it wouldn't look quite as original, and we have spent lots of time trying to make it look original. Anyway, that's the operation of the safety. The other thing I guess I should say is obviously I think that if the safety's engaged, you cannot charge the weapon, because since this safety pin engages the sear and the sear is sitting up under the bolt carrier, that bolt carrier is not going to move. So if the weapon is on safe, be aware that the weapon is charged, ready to go. So when you take it off safe, pull the trigger, it'll fire, but also you can now pull the charging handle. Guess that's it on the safety.